Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn dynamic filtering using the filter function. If you have ever struggled with complex datasets and wanted an efficient way to filter and analyze your data, you're in the right place. First things first, let's understand the basics of the filter function. The filter function allows us to extract specific data based on certain criteria, creating a dynamic filter that updates as our data changes. To use filter effectively, you need to have a good grasp of data and criteria you want to apply. Also, keep in mind, the filter function is only available in Excel for Microsoft 365 and Excel 2021. In Excel 2019, Excel 2016 and earlier versions, it is not supported. Now, if you come across a situation like that, we want to find the list of employees that are grouped by department. The given list is employee names and their respective departments. But we want to find which employees are in which department, which is grouped in a department-wise manner. Like we have IT department, HR department and finance department. So in this case, we can use the filter function to group the employee names department-wise. Now let's see how to do it. For the first department, select this cell, write equal to, the first word is filter, open bracket. So the first value is array. That means it is the range of data that we want here. So in this scenario, it will be the employee names. So let's select the employee name. Press Ctrl Shift and arrow down to select all the employee name. Press F4 to lock the range, comma. So the second value is include. It is the logical operation or the condition you want to put in this function. So in this scenario, the department has to be IT for the first value. So let's select the range in the first value, which consists of all the department. Select here, press Ctrl Shift and arrow down. Press F4 to lock the range. Then write equal to. It should be equal to IT, right? So let's select IT and close the bracket. And when you press enter, you get the list of all the employees that are in the IT department. Similarly, if you copy the value here, it will find out the list of all the employees who are in HR. Again, if you copy this here, it will find the list of all the employees in the finance department. So why do we call it dynamic? It's because if any data changes in this list, it will get automatically changed here as well. So if we drop the details of Emma, press delete, and you can see that it has got automatically updated in the output table as well. So that's why it's called dynamic. Let's redo it. And there you have it, dynamic filtering using the filter function in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific Excel topic you would like me to cover in future, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found this useful and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy excelling.